You never want to sink too fast, but you never want to sink too slow either. The goal is to have it done in an hour or two, and you have to do that by design. And luckily today went as designed. Bohicket Creek by the boat ramp is the first place it was on the marsh. DNR hired us, take it out of there. We raised it from there, tied it to a barge, brought it here to Stevens Shipyard, came out the water. It was cleaned of anything essentially not steel, metal, anything unsafe to go on the bottom, was prepped with holes so it could sink. Now we have to put it back into the water.
I was gonna tighten up with this.
Once the tugboat is secured to the vessel, crew members on the vessel call out instructions to me operating the tug to maneuver the tug and the vessel as one unit away from the dock to clear waters, towing the sinkable vessel behind us.
It drug the boat over the spot we needed to be, exactly on position, rounded up to it, put 2 men on there.
Their job was to get on, get all of our equipment back on the boat, which would be barge lights, any lines that we used off of our boat for the tow.
Then we opened 2 valves that were on the shafts that brought water in.
We got everything back on, including them.
And then we also had what we call punch out, just a square about that big. And that also helps water get in. Knock that out. With an hour and 45 minutes, it was sunk to the bottom. Anything we can do to add to the habitat for fish, the ecosystem offshore, is just great for the environment, good for just the ecosystem overall. I mean, I've been doing this at least one a year every year since 15 years I've been here. This is pretty high on the list, especially since we did the whole process, raising it, then getting it offshore, and then sinking it and putting it in what's now its place forever.